Passport's dashboard is on the right side of the screen. Individual users control if their dashboard is shown or not simply by clicking on the word dashboard. The dashboard line items, again, the purpose is to show bullet points of information, counting of information that's in the system. So typical dashboard items might be the number of stock numbers that you're low on. If you're checking out items and they happen to be overdue, you may want an on-screen count of the number of overdue items. If you're tracking assets with warranty expiration, maybe it's the number of assets that currently have their warranties expired. The individual line items themselves are controlled by going to the admin dashboard items section. And again, individual users, by checking and unchecking the available dashboard items, that's how they control which dashboard items show up in their own dashboard. The available dashboard items are handled by admins. Admins can add and delete these dashboard items. Adding a new dashboard item is handled by pressing the new button, and you get a pop-up window. It's basically just a few steps of defining what it is. So this first field, which is the dashboard label, I will call this inventory low, and I'll just have this give me a count of number of stock numbers that I'm low on. The source field is choosing where the data should be pulling from, and I will be pulling from the stock inventory. And then I will be having it count stock numbers. I don't want it to count all my stock numbers, I just want it to count the stock numbers that I happen to be low on, so I'm going to have it do some filtering. So I'm going to be filtering by quantity, and I'm going to be filtering for quantities that are less than the defined minimum value per stock number. And basically that's it. Stepping through the available data fields, using the controls that are there, sets up and defines what you want to be counting, what the arguments are, and things like that. So pressing save will add that dashboard item to the list. At that point, again, it's a global dashboard item. Individual users at that point can check or uncheck of the available dashboard items. Once they do make their choices, it will show up in the dashboard itself on the right side. At that point, normal system day-to-day functionality can take place. The dashboard is there. The on-screen counts will always be updated on an ongoing basis. And again, individual users control at any point if they want to turn it on or off. Their personal user configuration settings are stored in the system.